No, you fucking not. No, you are not. No, you are not, sir. Idris, behave your bumbuckler self, Idris. Idris, behave your bumbuckler self. Idris said to fucking mix up. You hear the man say? Yo, Wagwan, baby, Wagwan, baby. What is up, guys? Back came out with another reaction. And today, guys, you see the thumbnail, you know what it is. Idris Elba Daily Duppy. Now, this, I never expect this. This was a surprise to me. If you see him at the Daily Duppy, I know him doing like a DJ thing more time. Big up Idris, real boss, multi-talented. You understand? The first time me see him in a movie was, it wasn't a movie, it was a series, The Wire. What name in The Wire? Stinger? Was it Stinger or Stringer? Something like that. Stringer or something like that. If I'm getting the name right. Anyway, big up Idris. Forward in a looter, forward in many different things. You understand? So you don't know the boss is multi-talented, big actor. So let's jump in and see what I must say, what I've got to offer in this one. Don't know what to expect, but let's go, dog. We don't know what you expect, but let's go. That him walk can't hide. That's his walk. So there's a black and yellow screen. So is this the Daily Duppy studio? Our Graham Daily studio? When them the Daily Duppy, not big up Graham Daily. I've never seen an entry like this before, by the way. I'm just pull up in one car. Walk can't hide.
This message was brought to you by Port Noir.
You see the entrance? Dog? This is the entrance of a friggin' star, dog. It's the entrance of a star. Big up the rapper them. But this is the entrance what you need for you do. It just set the entrance bar high right now. You need for you do them entrance. If you not do them entrance, you go do something else. Seriously.
Oi, I'm that unk shelling out them dunks like I got the 23 on the front or I got the 7 on the back. 7 Wallace one, got the Saka one. Might catch me at the Emirates in the dressing room giving out dabs. So Duppy in the verse cause I'm about to body that cause I can. Took a flick with your girl and
oh shit! Yo! It's just a stunt! Remember say no, take out my glasses. Remember say him links them not normal enough. Him links them high now, bro. His links are friggin' high, bro. You know man tell us say you might catch him in the dressing room. Arsenal, brother. I'll give it yo.
This one, got the Saka one. Might catch me at the Emirates in the dressing room giving out dabs. So Duppy in the verse cause I'm about to body that cause I can. Took a flick with your girl and your mum. And your sister and your auntie cause I can.
Take off. Yo, the man say because him can. So when you ask Idris, say, Idris, tell me something. Why you do Grime Daily? I mean, brother, because I can. Like, what is your problem? Because I can, dog. I can.
Table looking like an off license. Lay low pack, got the license. On a zoo, on the roof, cause I can. By the way, AJ is my guy. Sorry, Tyson.
Yo, the editors, them are fuckery, you know. The editors, them are fuckery. Brother, this is the definition of a friggin' goat. He is the definition of a goat, brother. Like, he's not even a small time actor. He's a big time award-winning actor, brother. It's not even a joke. The man say, yo, when the boxer name, fuck. Him say Tyson, not your time. You see me? Joshua, Anthony Joshua, yeah, my guy that. Yo, there was talks of him supposed to forward in the next James Bond movie as well. Is that still going on?
Zoo on the roof cause I can. By the way, AJ is my guy. Sorry, Tyson. Are you mad? I can say what I want cause I can. Talent is a blessing and that's my religion. I'm 48 years old and I can beat up your dad.
Talent is my religion. The man say, yo, I'm a 48-year-old and him can beat up your dad. That means, I'm say, yo, him fit, same way. Him 48, but him still agile on him feet. Still knock out a man teeth. With ease. Because I can. Idris, pick up your bumbuckler self, dog.
Gotcha. Are you mad? I can say what I want cause I can. Talent is a blessing and that's my religion. I'm 48 years old and I can beat up your dad. Old enough to...
When I say bumbuckler, yo, actor, DJ, producer, grime artist, yo, no.
My religion, I'm 48 years old and I can beat up your dad.
Bumbuckler. Yo, we can't get away with a partner, dog. I'm sorry, bro. This is, if I'm not coming with a better line than this in this daily Duppy, this are the line for me. We take it, brother.
That's my religion. I'm 48 years old and I can beat up your dad. Old enough to know better. Jet setter, go getter. IEOBE, 3 letters. About to do a set with Calvin and 𝐁𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 cause
IE and OBE. Man, I get awards, brother. The man I tell you, said, brother, yo, cause I can. I'm a show off, I'm a boast. No, I'm not boast, I'm not show off. He's just a star, brother. I'm never ready for this. I swear I'm never ready for this, dog. Jesus Christ.
I can. Take the piss cause I can. Quote a bar cause I can. Blackface Rolly got more than one. Might do a freestyle with Chip Storm and Santan. Yeah, cause I can. One what you heard, mate.
No, you fucking not. No, you are not. No, you are not, sir. Idris, behave your bumbuckler self, Idris. Behave your bumbuckler self. Idris, you to fucking mix up. You the man say? Him have, basically, let me break it down. Him have more than one role then. See? You know where the Stormzy and Dave drop them song about watches and rare. The man I say, yo, him can do a remix with Stormzy, Dave, and Chip. Do it. Bumbuckler, do it. Just do it. More I see that. Do it. Do it. Just do it.
With Calvin and 𝐁𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 cause I can. Take the piss cause I can. Quote a bar cause I can. Blackface Rolly got more than one. Might do a freestyle with Chip Storm and Santan. Yeah, cause I can. One what you heard made man a big man.
Looking back at what I'm just said, it just can. If it just link the man and say, yo, brother, I wanna stop on a fuckery. Remix time. See my money here. Him can. If anybody in the UK can do this, is fucking Idris. Nobody else. I don't care what you wanna say. No other artist can. No other person in the UK can tell them to stop the beefing or stop the words dropping or whatever them do. Nobody else can do that apart from Idris. Yo, me give up on life.
Yeah, cause I can. One what you heard made man a big man. Movies and music is part of the plan. Might be the king of Africa cause I know I can. Black.
Forget about the beat up your dad part. The lines just keep getting better and better. Funnier and funnier. Realer and realer. Because I can.
Movies and music is part of the plan. Might be the king of Africa, cause I know I can. Black James Bond ain't part of the plan. Make loot for the movie, cause I can.
Okay, so him just answer my question. Black James Bond ain't part of the plan. So him just confirm for the critics them out there when did I say, yo, Black James Bond, blah, blah, blah. That's not part of the plan. Him not do that. Him not do that. Yo. This is the last person I expect from Graham Daily Dog. Sorry, but I'm just giving you my natural reaction because I never expect this dog. Carry on.
Black James Bond ain't part of the plan. Make loot for the movie, cause I can.
Yeah.
GQ Awards hosting man of the year. Same week host Grime Daily for the fam. You know why?
Cause I can.
DC and Marvel.
Cause I can.
Margot Robbie on speed dial. Jay-Z plaque on the wall, cause I can. Let it breathe. Cause I can. Black on champagne, I can claim that. Make the toast to the #1 movie in the land, cause I can. Hey. You got jokers, man. Grime Daily Awards, Daily Duppy, you done know. Let's go.